He demonstrates a strong understanding of the concept. However, the implementation requires further development. Smile. Steamed salmon with vegetables and edamame, paired with a sharp cheddar cheese omelette. A nutrient-rich, high-protein meal that's both hearty and balanced, combining healthy fats, fiber, and sustained energy. The dishes on the shelves to make it safer and easier for my granddaughter to use what she needs on her own. I placed her cups, plates, tall plastic glasses, and bowls within easy reach so she doesn't have to struggle or climb, because there is also a step stool near the sink for her use. I also added straws to the cups she uses most because she enjoys getting ice from the ice maker on the counter. This small adjustment helps her stay more independent, comfortable, and confident while moving around the kitchen. (222) is a sign of balance and alignment. Stay calm, trust the process, and keep moving forward with faith. (333) is a reminder you're supported and not alone. Keep going. Your growth is unfolding right on time. Cheddar veggie omelette served over homemade oat bread with avocado on the side. A balanced, nourishing meal with protein, healthy fats, and whole grains to keep you satisfied and energized. Snack time. Celery, organic peanut butter and dates.